What's up, guys? Evergreen Fly Guy. So I want to give a little context to this this coming up clip that I'm going to post, just so you understand it a little better. So this was like a rafting trip group, like a guided group, and the water here is super cold. I can't even think of the temperature. I had my hand in it for a couple seconds. I was turning blue. It is incredibly cold water, so it was just really skilled of how they were able to get him back up on the raft and get him safe before anything serious happened, like hypothermia or anything like that, or more rapids coming up. But enjoy the clip. Well, that was the clip, guys. Tell me what you think. If they got him quick enough and how it could have been prevented. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the alert bell. Got lots of new stuff coming up, so stay tuned.